Hello students, today I will discuss on data acquisition, visualization, system maps and modeling. These topics is under AI project cycle of class 9 CBSE board NCRT. Let's start. First of all, what is data acquisition? Here is a at a glance concept regarding data acquisition in one slide. What is it? The process of collecting and gathering data, such as imagine dataset regarding patient where patient details and their medicine and their uh, observation details of a patient. If we collect all data within a table, so what will be the problem? This problem will redundancy, data redundancy. The data duplicates will occur if we gather the data all about patient into one table. If we simplify this table or a segregation in variety of table head, like as only for patient details, in this table only contain patient address, patient name, patient contact details, and then the medical observation table will contain all about the patient observation details. So in this case, what will be added? The duplicates value cannot be entered into this table or this data set. That's why the redundancy will overcome. This is called data acquisition. The whole process of collecting and gathering data into an organized way into a simplified tables or database, that is called data acquisition. Why is it important? Reliable data is the foundation of any analysis or decision making. There are some key considerations within the concept of data acquisition. These are data quality, where data redundancy will overcome. So data quality, data sources and data cleaning must be better. Next slide. What is data visualization? Data acquisition means gathering gathering of all data into simplified database in a well organized way. After that, data visualization is an important concern in regarding data. So what is it? Representing data visually to make it easier to understand. Why is it important? Visual can reveal patterns, trends, insight that might be missed in raw data. In this case, if we uh, if we generate a reports from a raw data from the core database, so what will be arise? One main problem will arise that from raw data we must be analyzed and organized, and then and after that we can generate a report. But if we draw a visualization from the insights meaning of data, of raw data, then the actual meaning of raw data will be very clear to all very easily. For this reason, data visualization is important. Our analysis work, our data science work, our data mining work, working time reduced. Here we can apply some techniques to visualize these raw data. That's are bar chart, line graph, pie chart, histogram, and scatter plots. These graphs and charts all are present in MS Excel. Then we discuss about system maps. What is system map and what are they? Visual representation of a system and its components. Visual representation of a system and its components. What is this? Components mean, component means, imagine like as hospital management or a educational system, like one college or one school. In this school management system or in a college management system or in a hospital management system, there are so many sector, there are so many segments. Like as if we imagine hospital management system, in this hospital management system, doctor has a chamber, pathology also has the same as a room or a segment or a sector or a position. So these positions, the pathology center and doctor's chamber, these are connected in well fashion between them. So these components means these segments or these sectors in hospital management system. If you imagine in college management system or a school management system, in a school there are so many classes, there are so many classroom, there is a teachers room, there is hall room, there is meeting hall room, there is parents waiting room. So these all are rooms are connected between them, between each other, within within a school jurisdiction. These rooms or these sector or these uh, component, this event is called component in a system. So visual representation of a system and its components is called system maps. Why are they important? They help us understand complex system and identify potential problems or areas for improvement. Some common types under system map. These are very important types: DFD, ERD, and use case diagram. DFD means data flow diagram, how data flow from one sector to another, and use case diagram is generally called user defined function, like that. And the entity relation diagram means entity means one class, such as in school management system or college management system, teachers, student, library. These are entity in school management system. So when these entities are connected with each other in a well organized way in a diagram, this diagram is called entity relation diagram. Just enough. Second one is modeling. What is it? Creating simplified representation of real world system. Why is it important? Models help us understand complex system, predict behavior, and make decisions. Type of models: one is physical models, second one is mathematical models, and computer simulations. Computer simulation means computer system, the modeling about computer system. These are computer simulations. In this matter, you have to remember some key points like as data quality, ethical considerations, effective visualization, model validation. And finally, we are all come just last theoretical content, and after that we will start question answer session about the data acquisition, data visualization, data modeling, system maps. You can clear your doubts from these questions. See, first question is, what is the primary goal of data acquisition? Which is the correct answer? A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D. There are 4 questions, four answers. So which answer will be correct? C will be correct answer. To identify the specific data needed to answer research questions or solve a problem. That is called primary goal of data acquisition. And the second one is, which is the following is not a key factor to consider when identifying data requirements. Data cost. And third number is, what is data quality? The accuracy and completeness of data. And the fourth one is, why is important to identify the relevant data sources? A, to ensure data accuracy and reliability. B, to minimize the cost of data collection. C, to avoid collecting unnecessary data. All points are correct. So the answer will be all of the above. D. 5 numbers question is, which data collection method involves observing subjects in their natural environment? Observation is the correct answer. What is the main advantage of using structured interviews? C is the correct answer. Consistency is in data collection. Consistency in data collection. Consistency means simultaneously collection of data. Seven number is, which data collection technique is commonly used in social science to gather in-depth information from a small number of participants? Case studies will be the right answer. To remove, 8 number question, what is the purpose of data cleaning? To remove errors and inconsistencies from data. 9 number question is, which of the following is not a primary source of data? A, original research papers. B, government reports. C, Wikipedia articles. D, surveys and interviews. Wikipedia articles is not a primary source of data. Is it? Got it? Then 10 question is, when evaluating the credibility of a website, what should you consider? A, the website's domain name. B, the author's credentials. C, the date of publication. And the last one, D, is all of the above. Which is the right answer for this question? Got it? Then 11 number question, which of the following is a reliable source of academic research papers? Google, YouTube, JSTOR, Wikipedia. JSTOR is the correct answer. JSTOR stands for journal store, where reports is collected as a template pattern. And the 12th number is question, what is plagiarism? Plagiarism means key. What is plagiarism? D is the right answer, all of the above. A, copying someone else works without citing the source, using your own words to describe someone else's ideas, paraphrasing someone else's work without citing the source. So all of the above is the right answer of plagiarism. 13 number question is, why is data validation important in data acquisition? To ensure data accuracy and consistency. B, B. To identify and correct errors in the data. C. To improve the quality of data analysis. And D is the right answer, all of the above. And the 14 number question is, what is a system map? A graphical representation of a system and its components. A use case diagram illustrates the interconnection between users and the system. This is the user defined function. 16 number question is, what is data visualization? The process of presenting data in a visual format. And the 17 number question is, which of the following is not a common data visualization technique? Flowchart is not a common data visualization technique. Why is the data visualization important? Because it helps in understanding complex data. It makes data more engaging, appealing. It helps in identifying trends and patterns. So the right answer will be D, all of the above. And the 19 number question is, which data visualization technique is best suited for showing the distribution of categories within a whole? Pie chart. A scatter plot is used to show the relationship between two numerical variables. And the 21st question is, what is a model in the context science and engineering? B is the right answer, a simplified representation of a real world system. And the 22 number question is, which of the following is not a common type of model? Now, historical model is not a common type of model. And the 23rd, a scale model of building is an example of physical model. And the 24 is what is the purpose of a model? The purpose of model to simplify complex system. The purpose of model to make prediction about real world behavior. And the purpose of a model to test hypotheses and theories. So the last one is D will be the right answer. So far the class. So I want to inform a suggestion regarding system modeling. Where is graph system modeling? Sorry, system visualization, data visualization. Where some variety type of chart and graph that present in MS Excel. So I have a suggestion for you. You have to create a table. Within this table, you write 2 columns or 3 columns. First column will contain the name of visualization type or visualization or graph name or chart name, and the second column will be main function of the chart, and the third column will be the application, real life application of chart or graphs. If you create this table within about all the charts and graphs within a table, it will help you to read and memorize the topics during the examination. So far the class. Stay well, ভালো থাকবে তোমরা, সুস্থ থাকবে, অবশ্যই আপডেটেড থাকবে, ডিজিটালি থাকবে এবং এই পলিজি এআই কম্পিউটার লার্নিং সেন্টারের সঙ্গে থাকবে। আমি কিঙ্কর পাল, আমার সঙ্গে থাকবে। থ্যাংক ইউ।